for replacement on this 2008 Acura TSX. First, we start with moving the wipers and the cowl, and then after that lets us get to the bottom portion of the glass without breaking anything that may be in behind this here.
So Michael, what's the name of those pieces you just took off?
The cowl clips.
No, that piece right there, the whole plastic piece.
The cowl.
Yeah. Now you're popping out some little divots. Hold it down.
Popping out clips that came off of the cowl that'll go back on.
So this next part.
Next part, we're removing the side moldings, which allows us to get to the side of the glass to get it cut out. We get this one pulled, that one pulled. Remove the top strip, and then we'll start extracting the windshield.
So you can see there, he's just very carefully using a little like miniature crowbar kind of thing and a screwdriver and popping them out very carefully. And that piece comes off.
Panel tool, pick tool.
Alright, so you finally got the stripping off. Now he's taking the rear view mirror off.
Cutting the window out now with the cold knife.
So after he got the stripping off, now he's cutting out the window.
cut out the lower portion of the windshield.
It's called an extractor.
Yep.
Alright, now he's just going to pop the window out. There it is.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the existing urethane bead and get it cleaned up and run our urethane bead over the top of the old one that we've trimmed down, and then we'll prime it and toss it with the mat.
Pretty much got all the stripping off right now. He's just cleaning up.
Yep, now we're just cleaning up the urethane bead. Wipe it down with a little bit of water, dry it off. Prime the vehicle. We'll be ready to go.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Now we're priming the vehicle. Any scratches that were possibly made, they are all in non-visible spots. Everything will be covered back up, but this keeps your vehicle from rusting. Very important step right here.
Grabbing a new windshield.
Bead on the vehicle, very important step here. This is very important. If you were to get into the accident, your front windshield plays a huge part in a front and rear end stability to keep your car from smashing. So this right here is very important. I like to run a solid bead all the way across the top. That eliminates any type of seams that may be up here, and that's just less chance for water to get in the vehicle.
So he'll end up doing that all the way around the window, and we'll show you the next step.
When running the urethane bead, as you can see, we got the top done right here. We do run a V bead, which gets it higher, which makes it more contact with the urethane to the glass. Also, you want that bead to be as high as your roof rail or your roof line right here, and this one is perfect. That's exactly what you want right there.
Here, I'll get it from the side.
Once the glass hits the bead of urethane, there'll be about that much urethane in between the body of the vehicle and the glass, which is perfect. If you run a small bead on the vehicle and the glass is smashed all the way down against the metal, what that'll cause is that'll cause stress cracks. Your car goes over a bump, speed bump, whatever it may be, pothole. It'll cause the car to shake, and then it could cause a stress crack on your glass.
Okay.
Right now what I'm doing is the seams that I did make in the bottom, I'm just marrying them together here.
Now he's got the windshield in.
Yep, windshield's in. Now we're going to clean the stickers off, trim the tape. The tape is something that stays on for 24 hours. You're able to pull it off the next morning. That just gives it enough time to get set up to where we know we won't have any issues at all.
So to finish this video up, because all he's going to do is going to put the trim back on. What other little minor tips would you tell anybody that's getting their windshield replaced?
Watch out for rocks. I don't know.
Well, remember you told me, like, don't shut your door.
There are some rules with the vehicle. After the windshield has been installed, like I said, the tape needs to stay on for 24 hours. No high pressure car wash for 48 hours. The vehicle can be hand washed, but the high pressure one could possibly puncture the bead, and then you'll get wind, water, everything you don't want.
And don't slam your doors.
Yep, and on the doors, if the window's cracked on both sides, the air can escape out of that. If not, you would want to just kind of push the door closed, just like that. If you slam it with the windows up, that air tries to find the easiest way to escape, and right now it's going to be through the wet urethane bead.
So how long does that usually take to dry?
48 hours. To totally cure, there's a 1 hour safe drive time. So after this thing's been in here for 1 hour, the vehicle is safe to drive. There would be no issues if there was if you were to get into an accident.
Have it. We've got a Honda that just got a windshield replaced, and Michael here with Premier Glass. They do mobile windshield repair replacements. They do crack repairs, any type of vehicle, any type of glass. Just give Premier Glass a call.